everyone! Hola! Welcome to my channel. This is Just Eats and I'm Just. Today we're gonna make something really fast, a really quick dip in case you have friends coming over or you just want to give a different dip or not want to buy ones in the store. So yeah, this is gonna be our sour cream and mushroom soup dip. Yes, mushroom soup. Okay, so you're gonna need a few things. A bowl, sour cream, some dill, lemon, mushroom soup. I use the Norm mushroom soup. It has to be a powdered mushroom soup. I'm gonna chop up some garlic. Oh, lumapit ka. You wanna chop it, you wanna mince it. So that's chopping it really small to sort of infuse your sour cream dip. I think this is around half a cup of sour cream. And you can use any sour cream, but this is the one I had at home. Maybe like a regular sour cream dip, you put chives or onions, stuff like that, or a garlic sour cream dip. That's really good. But this one, my mom taught me this one and she said she got it from one random hotel and she was wondering, what dip is this? And then it turns out it had mushroom soup. Powdered mushroom soup. Who'd have thunk? She says it adds a good umami taste, and I agree, I really like it. And then you just kind of put it in there. And then it's gonna look so weird. Let's add the garlic also. Add the garlic. And you just want to mix until it's not lumpy anymore. It's gonna go smoother. There, and this one's kind of chunky on the garlicky side. It's not as lumpy anymore. I have about half here already, so I'm just gonna squeeze that in. Now when you squeeze a lemon, most people squeeze this way, right? But I like to squeeze the other way around, so I catch the seeds with my handle and you just sort of squeeze. And then we add some dill. I harvested it and then I froze them in the freezer, so this is still kind of preserved. I'm gonna chop them up and just like... I think I would like some more dill. I love the taste of dill. If you don't have dill, it's fine. I just like the flavor that it adds to it. You can also use parsley. You just kind of throw everything together and then season it to taste. Spoon, you put it there. Up. Put a bit of pepper. Ooh, garlic. Super fresh garlic. You just pour some of the dip. I like it with chips too. Oh. And then there, when you're having a movie or you have friends over, chips and drop the chip in the dip. Hurry up! So good. So that's it. Super fast dip. Let's start an umami and mushroom soupy, but not. I swear, it doesn't taste like mushroom soup. Let's try it. That's it. That's our sour cream and mushroom soup dip. You can whip it up super fast, really quick. You can omit some ingredients. It's really up to you, but try it. If you like this, then yay, you like it. If you don't like it, I'm so sorry. But I hope you still do. If you want to see more videos, then subscribe. And if you want to see other recipes for things, just write it down and I'll see if I can make it. If I can. I am not a professional chef. I just like to eat, right? So you can just do that at home too. Eat or do what I did. There. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, lumapit ka. Anong kanta yun?